Hello everyone. Now we'll talk about ratio in similar polygons. We know that to prove that two polygons are similar, you need two conditions. Corresponding angle supposed to be congruent, corresponding sides supposed to be proportional. But in case of triangle, we can say that the two triangles are similar by just one of these two conditions, the angles or the proportional sides. The first concept here, how to identify the pairs of congruent and corresponding angles and the corresponding sides. In these two triangles, we can see that this sine, the same like this one, so these two angles are the same. This angle has the same mark like this one, so these two angles are the same as well. In two triangles, if two angles are congruent to another two angles, another triangle, so the third one has to be the same. So this is congruent to this one as well. So to write the congruent corresponding angles here, we will write that angle A is congruent to the corresponding one here, which is angle X. Angle B is congruent to angle Y. Angle Z is congruent to angle C. So here C is congruent to Z, the same order. So ABC congruent to, similar to XYZ. Corresponding angles A to X, B to Y, C to Z. To write the corresponding sides, we'll write here A, B, C, the first triangle, the second one, X, Y, Z. So we say that AB is corresponding to what? XY. So AB corresponding to XY. BC is corresponding to YZ. AC is corresponding to XZ. And these fractions, these proportionals, supposed to be what? Equals, all of them, if the two triangles are similar. Second concept here, determine whether the polygons are similar. If so, write the similarity ratio and similarity statement.
اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد.
We have two parallelograms, EFGH and WTUV. We can see that EF is corresponding to what? WT, in case of sides. What about the angles? Let's check here E and W. Angle E and angle W. Because these two are parallelograms, so the properties of the parallelogram, corresponding angles has to be equals, congruent. So these two has to be the same. These two are opposite to each other, so are congruent. These two are opposite to each other, so they are congruent. Also, the opposite sides are congruent, equals. So this is 84, this is 35, 60, and this 25. Let's write here the corresponding angles. Angle E and angle W. E and W, yes, they are the same. So this is congruent to angle W. Angle F and angle T. F and T, yes, they are the same. Angle G and U, the same. Angle H and V is congruent to angle V. Let's see here the proportional sides, the opposite sides, EF and WT. Here we need to know the ratio here is what? So EF, it is 84, while WT here is 60. We will divide both of them, so the answer is 84 over 60, it is 7 over 5. so it is 7 over 5. Check the other pair, FG and TU. So FG over TU. FG here is 35, while TU here is 25. Divide them, it is 7 over 5. GH over UV. GH is 84 over 60, 7 over 5. Still the same ratio. One more. EH over WV. EH it is 35 and WV is 25. So equals what? 7 over 5. Because all the corresponding sides here have the same ratio, so these two polygons now, these two parallelograms now are what? Are similar. So the similarity statement will be what? Will be EFGH similar to, and this is a similarity sign, WTUV. And what is the similarity ratio? This is the similarity ratio. Thank you.